am Cindy Hodo. Today I'm going to share a little bit about the Enagic SD501U. And this system installs actually underneath the sink, which is something I love about this system. Comes with the hardware. When you turn it on, you're still going to hear the panel tell you what kind of water you're pouring. So that said, I don't know if you could hear it, it said Kangen Water 9.5. And for some reason it was set on a cleaning cycle. It would tell you, or for cleaning water, and it would beep so you know not to drink it. So that's one of the features I love. It comes with all the plumbing hardware that you need in order to install it. If you don't have a hole drilled in your countertop, that's one thing that you'll want to arrange for. When you get the specs, it'll tell you exactly what to drill. So now I'm going to show you underneath. I have a few little furry friends here with me to show. This is the actual system, and this is Caroline. So you'll see the system is about the size of 2 toasters, and here is the control panel that disperses, and you can set the different types of water. So from your cleaning to your beauty, to your medical water, and then the 3 types of the Kangen water, which is 8.5, 9.0, and 9.5. And the dogs love to drink the water as well. It's really good and healthy for them. So thank you guys for watching. And as you can see, it helps us keep a nice streamlined kitchen. Yay, Caroline. Give me 5.